There can be a number of reasons security devices time out. This is a standard procedure. If you see this message, simply click on the OK button and the security device box will appear, showing the dongle number and the current identity code. Check your email and you should find an email from pez@wilcom.com with 2 attachments. Check that the old code matches the codes in the device setup. Once you've established that the codes do match, right-click on the attachments and save to a place you remember. The desktop would be a good option. Locate the automatic file in the desktop and use the Import Codes option and point to the file and open. You should receive a message to say the codes have been successfully entered and instructions to restart the software. The security device setup dialog found under the Setup menu will confirm the new codes have been installed and you're ready to continue enjoying your software. If you find the codes sent via email do not match, research your inbox for an earlier email with the matching codes. They must be inserted in the correct sequence to work correctly. If you still have an issue, contact your local distributor. If that is not possible, email details, including a screen capture of the device setup box, to support@wilcom.com. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful.